congratulations on 9 years. I really can't believe it's been 9 years. It just feels like yesterday when we met in Parkville, January 2012, and then you came on, you started with graphic design, and then you moved into web design, and today you're the managing director of Scion. I'm so proud of you for all the hard work, the dedication, and for sticking on through thick and thin, for being there for me, for the team, and really growing from strength to strength. I just love your leadership and the way that you are driving things forward, and I know as you step into your 10th year, there are much bigger things ahead of you for this decade, and I wish you all the best along with the team, and it's my privilege and my honor to work with you, and looking forward to grow Scion to much greater heights. Congratulations, and looking forward to see you soon, either here in Singapore or in India.
Hi Sean, many congratulations on completing 9 years at Science Social. Your hard work and dedication has brought this organization to this level. And also I would like to say that I have been working with you since past 3 months, and it's really been an amazing journey for me as well. Wishing you lots of success, happiness in your life and future. Thank you.
Hey Sean, congratulations on your 90th anniversary. I wish you the best on the years ahead to come. Thank you.
In all the time I've known you, Sean, you've always been extremely dedicated and hardworking, and I'm so proud of where you are today. Congratulations on 9 years at Scion and many more.
Hey Sean, congratulations on your 9th year anniversary and wishing you all the best.
Congratulations Sean for completing 9th year anniversary with Young Social, and it's my great pleasure to work with a leader like you. And thank you so much for inspiring people like me and giving opportunity them. Happy anniversary Sean.
Hey Sean, congratulations for completing 9 years with Scion. I wish you good luck for many more years to come.
Inspiring, committed, hardworking. I mean, these are a very few words that actually describe our very own Sean the Rock Fernandez. So happy 9 years, Sean, and here's to many more. Forgive the way I look.
Congratulations, Sean. 9 years is huge. What an achievement. And it's really fantastic to work with you after so long. Awesome, man.
Congratulations, Sean, on finishing 9 fantastic years at Scion. Your growth in Scion and the way Scion has evolved under your guidance is amazing. And I cannot tell you how inspired I continue to be with you every single day. So carry on what you're doing and lead us on.
Hey Sean, congratulations on your 9th anniversary at Scion, and many more to come on your success road. As far as I know, Sean, he's a great leader, a dedicated person with passion, and I have learned many things from him, so he's my teacher, my guru. Thank you.
Congratulations Sean on your amazing 9-year journey in Scion. Not only a leader to us but an inspiration, and as rightly said, the rock, the backbone of Scion. Keep rocking Sean, many more to come.
Hey Sean, congratulations. You're such a dedicated person and inspiring us a lot of ways. Wish you more success and growth. It's amazing to work with you, man. Thanks for leading us.
Hey Sean, congratulations on completing 9 years with Scion. What a huge milestone this is. Thank you for being you. We learn something new from you every day. You are truly the rock of Scion. Cheers and all the best for the coming years ahead.
Hi Sean, Congratulations on finishing 9 years with Cyan. It has been great working with you, and it always will be. You are one of the person with whom talking about things never gets boring. You are always full of knowledge. You're always full of kind words, and also there are a lot of things that we still can learn from you. So congratulations.
Hey Sean, first of all, congratulations on completing 9 years of awesomeness and more to come. And I don't think I've ever seen such a compassionate, dedicated, and a wonderful human being like you before. So thank you for everything.
Hey Sean, congratulations on your 9th anniversary with Cyan. What a milestone in setting up and growing Cyan to where it is today. Kudos to you, Mr. Rock. Take care.
Hi Sean, happy 9-year anniversary. Thanks for always inspiring and motivating us. You have an amazing vibe and we are glad to work with you. Thanks a lot.
Hey Sean, congratulations on your 9th year. As a newcomer, I think all I would say is you're such an amazing person and there is so much to learn from you. I love the way and the ease with which you're getting me into the process, and I am ever so grateful to be working under you and learning so much from you.
This is the message from far, far away. May the force be always with you. Growing forward, this is the way. Happy 9th work anniversary, Sean.